I did not condone this outfit.
Important business. I got my most important business suit on. The most important business suit here.
Oh my gosh.
Christmas is important business. Happy Merry Christmas Eve. We are
From
on.
Santa Claus himself.
No, this is just a very appropriate Christmas suit to conduct official Christmas business in. So,
We're serious today, huh?
Merry Christmas Eve. This is our final go at this box.
We were very let down yesterday, so
Yeah.
I'm really hoping 24.
Let's blow the doors off this place.
Yeah.
I've dressed up in my finest suit for the best wine in the box here.
Yeah.
Maybe it is a champagne.
I hope so. You look like you drink champagne in that suit.
Yeah, I feel like I need a champagne in this suit. So, well, without further ado.
Okay. Wait, do you want to show people your full?
I don't know if you can actually appreciate it. So,
Full outfit? Yeah. Right.
day 24 is in your grasp here. This is the final wine. Are you ready? What's it going to be?
I'm
A
sad for
champagne?
it to be over. I hope it's something different. I hope
Like
we
a
don't.
chocolate red wine?
No.
No.
Not a chocolate red.
Oh, I can already see it.
It's a champagne! Oh my gosh! So cute!
Wow. There you go.
Okay, well, after yesterday's letdown, this is very relieving. I wish this was cold
I know.
because the bubbles aren't going to be there.
I mean, they'll be there.
They'll be there, it just won't be as,
Well,
And it is a real champagne, right? It's from France?
produced in France. No, it says a
Oh.
sparkling brut. So,
Okay, so it's not produced in Champagne, right?
no.
Brut, dry.
It's a sparkling brut. I won't read. You want me to read it?
Sure.
Ciel Bleu is what it's called. Sparkling brut. This French sparkling brut is a refined and elegant wine, offering delightful aromas of fresh butter and cake. On the palate, it is fresh and harmonious and well-balanced structure that enhances its crisp, lively character.
Cool.
Interesting.
Okay.
Um,
Well, I'm excited about this.
okay.
I'll open it. I want to open it today.
All right, you're in charge.
Yeah, and don't cut it because.
I won't. Because they need to see.
All right, it's our last baby in the box. Hope it has a nice pop.
Oh, and it's smoking too. Look at that.
Wow,
It's good.
that came off there fast.
Yeah.
I should have just.
Let it shoot
Yeah,
to
I
the
should have,
ceiling.
right?
No. Look at that.
Okay.
Okay. Well, we have a mini champagne.
It's lovely.
Yeah. Nice color to it.
I'm gonna put the rest of this in the fridge for sure. So I'm gonna pour a little bit.
Okay. All right. Well, it's kind of like a New Year's celebration early. So some champagne.
No, it's Christmas celebration.
I know. It's to finish our box here.
Yeah.
Okay. Smells like champagne.
Yeah.
Sweet. A little bit of like cakey.
Smells interesting.
Yeah, it does. Cheers.
Cheers. It's good.
It is. It's crisp.
A little different than Prosecco, but it's good.
It's good though. Has like a little acidity, crispness to it. It's not sweet. It's dry.
It tastes like cake.
Yeah, but it's not sweet, like overly sweet.
No.
It's good. Is this what you needed on the last day here?
Needed something to redeem
Yesterday.
from yesterday, yeah. Yesterday was really bad,
Yeah. This was,
unfortunately.
well, you know, maybe it wasn't our bottle of wine, but
Yeah.
it's good.
No, this is cool. Yeah. What a good way to end off.
Absolutely. A sparkling wine to end the box. So
Yeah.
I know you've been asking for this pretty much since we started. So
Actually, I think they could have threw in a couple different like effervescent or sparkling wines throughout. But yeah, I think they give us a really good variety
yeah,
of everything. We tried wines that we haven't tried before, and
right.
that's what it's all about. So
Well, and we're gonna go back now, and we'll have a rating for you. We'll pull all these bottles of wine out of this box. We're gonna have like lined up our top 5. I think is which makes sense. We'll go back through and kind of go through them. Interesting. Like, what a cool way to end. I think I'm pretty happy with that.
Yeah.
Very, very French heavy though.
This box has been very French heavy.
Yeah. A lot of French wines.
Which is good in our favor. And
Right.
yeah, I think if it was all USA or California, or we would have been like,
Well, it doesn't. There's really no adventure in that. Then.
Sparkling wines were first documented in Champagne region as early as the 16th century. Although the process of creating bubbles was not well understood at the time, it wasn't until the 17th century that the méthode champenoise traditional method was developed, largely attributed to the work of Benedictine monk Dom Perignon. Interesting. Okay. Dom Perignon's a really expensive champagne.
Right.
Who refined the techniques to produce high quality sparkling wines. The Champagne region's unique terroir and climate, along with its chalky soils, contribute to the distinctive characteristics of these wines. Over time, Champagne became synonymous with celebration and luxury. You're dressed for
I'm pretty luxurious today.
You're dressed for the occasion.
Yes.
And one of the most popular styles. Today, Sparkling Brut from France continues to be revered for its elegance, complexity, and timeless appeal, enjoyed by wine enthusiasts around the world.
Absolutely.
Great wine to end off with.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Very happy with it.
Yeah, celebration. I feel like everyone associates champagne with celebrations, New Year's, Christmas parties, Christmas time, holidays. Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
It's perfect wine to finish this off with.
Agreed. Yeah.
So, let's rate it real quick, and then we'll final rating here.
Okay.
Final rating. Ready? Oh!
Really?
That's good for a white. Really white.
7.5? You like Prosecco and champagne.
I know.
You
I
like
do.
Prosecco.
I know. I think it's good.
9.5. Yeah, I'm glad they gave
That's
it
the
nice-
highest wine on here?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
For me, no.
You like the red.
7.5. Yeah, but 7.5 is great for a white wine. I could drink this any day.
Well,
all
since you don't like it as much, I can drink it tonight for you.
This is the rest of the bottle is yours.
Yeah.
I don't know. I thought 7.5 was a good score. I almost give it an 8.5, but I'm like, no, that's too high for a sparkling wine that's not a champagne.
I think it is a champagne.
It doesn't say champagne though, and typically if it's from France and from the Champagne region, it would be a champagne. I don't know. Produced in France. I don't, but it's good. It's not bad.
Different region of France. I think it's good.
I think it's really good.
Yeah.
I think it's tasty, it's refreshing, it's got like that celebratory taste to it.
Yeah.
Everything that you could possibly want in a champagne, it's probably there. I like it. You
Your
really
rating
like
doesn't
it.
reflect that.
Okay, but here's the deal.
Okay, 9.5. Yeah, 9. I
No,
mean, a
it says
freaking
9.5.
Dom Perignon in the box would be like a 12,
Probably.
obviously. But like
Yeah.
you're rating it, I don't know.
But that's also like you are rating a name and not a product. This could be Dom in a different bottle, and like we're like, oh, it's a 7.5.
Can you imagine?
No, so it'd be like you're the idiot because that's Dom in there. We gave everybody a split of Dom for
Marked as
for
a
their
different
Christmas
name.
box marked as a different name. That would, but even
That'd be some Costco crap they'd pull.
no, they wouldn't. I love Costco, so do you.
And not in a bad way.
Oh, in a good way, some crap they
Yeah,
would pull.
they knock off, well, not knock off, but
They source and
Private
produce
label.
private label items that are really high quality. So it's very nice. I like it. Now you're making me.
I'll be putting this in the fridge and having it.
You're making me feel like my 7.5 isn't good enough score for this. There's wines that I rated yesterday's as a 2. This is way, way, way better.
Yeah, it's good.
So
Cool.
very happy with it. I'm very happy that you're even happier with it. So
Yeah.
what a cool way to end.
Yeah.
I'm at least happy there was a champagne in there
Me
for
too.
us to finish on. That's cool. I thought like, oh well, we're probably not gonna get that. Just judging on whatever else we had in there.
No, I was really happy when I opened it and I
Me
was like, okay. Nice.
So
Yeah, thanks for following along this journey with us. And
Yeah.
if this is something you like, then we can definitely make it a tradition. Do it next year.
yeah. But
We're
after
gonna have a recap video after this.
we'll have a
So-
recap. We're gonna do
All of our 5 favorites.
I haven't
Number one
decided. I haven't decided if it's going to be on Christmas Day that we're going to do that. Maybe later on in the
Yeah.
week, in between Christmas and
And
New
New
Year's.
Year's, yeah.
We'll have our rating. We'll come back, go through our top 5, maybe touch on a couple other things here. But starting in the new year, we're going to get back to like cooking videos. Really kind of full force back into that. So
Yeah.
this was kind of a nice little break, a
Yeah.
nice little change of pace. But we will be back into the food videos start of the year here.
Yeah.
So thank you for watching
Thank
along.
you. Yeah, thanks for being here.
Yeah.
Thanks for all your feedback and everything that just makes us better every day.
Yeah.
So
Honestly, so
we like communicating with you guys, and you know, it's a different community on the internet, so it's cool to talk with people and see what they like. Or
so we'll see everybody for our wrap up video here.
all right,
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And thanks for watching.
Bye. I'm gonna finish the champagne now.
Not if I take your glass.
I'm gonna
Cheers.
put it in the fridge though.
Yeah.
It's great.
Cheers.